Here we have a 2015 Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4 factory, which has covered 24,008 miles. And as you can see, it's in excellent overall condition, especially for the age. There is a slight cutout on the decal on the rear end, as you can see. But apart from that, this bike's in very clean condition. This bike features a tail tidy, fly screen, GR motor exhaust and rad guard. This bike also features adjustable levers. We have ACF 50 this bike, which is an anti-corrosion protection. As I've already said, this bike's in super clean condition and has been really well looked after. And if you have any questions on this bike, just give us a call on 07918 683 634.